You won't believe this incredible CNC machine. Buy right now and get 40% off for 144 CNC 3018 Pro Laser Engraving Machine 3-axis W Offline Controller GRBL Control DIY Wood PCB Milling Cutting Engraver TTC 3018S. This DIY CNC engraving machine is special designed for DIY fun, study and research, giving you extreme portable experience. This CNC engraving machine features the function of engraving, carving and milling. This carving machine can be engraved plastic, wood, acrylic, PVC, PCB, wood. This DIY CNC engraving machine is special designed for DIY fun, study, and research with professional GRBL control software, giving you extreme portable experience. Made of aluminum and with oxidation treatment, the all-metal fuselage is durable and good-looking. Specifications: Model 3018 Pro. Plug AS plus EU. Control software, candle. Material, aluminum plus plastic. Color, silver plus black. Working area, 30180 x 40 mm 11, 8711 in. Frame size, 420-355 to 80 mm 16, 514-11 in. Spindle, 775 spindle motor 1236 V 24 volts, 8000 min. Spindle chuck, A11. Step motor, 1.5A. Use of method: 1. Connect the power supply and connect the USB. 2. Install the driver. 3. To determine your machine's COM port. 4. Open GRBL software. Package list, DIY kit, need to assemble by yourself, 1 complete set of parts and installation tools. Get 144 us with link in this description video. CNC 3018 Pro Laser Engraving Machine 3-axis W Offline Controller GRBL Control DIY Wood PCB Milling Cutting Engraver TTC 3018S. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get another videos.